Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 365 2021 Capstone Level 3 working with the sale data. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is Excel 365 2021 Capstone Level 3 working with the sale data. So next we move to the main project steps. So my title is Excel 365 2021 Capstone Level 3 working with the sale data. And next open the stored file Excel 2021 Capstone Level 3. If the workbook open is protected view, click the enable editing button in the message bar at the top of the worksheet so you can modify it. So go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel 365 2021 Capstone Level 3 with the working with the sale data. So next we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is the file will be renamed automatically to include your name. Change the project file name if directed to do so by your instructor and save it. So I have already changed the Excel 365 2021 Capstone Level 3 working with the sale data. And next we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is copy the old to and store worksheet. Copy the old to and store worksheet from the old to and store workbook. Download from the resource link to the Capstone project. Open the Excel file. So copy the old to and store worksheet from the old to and store workbook. Download from the resource link to Capstone project and open the Excel file old to and store worksheet. So open the Excel old to and store worksheets, old to and sale worksheets. And next copy the worksheet old to and store in the move or copy dialog box. Be sure to check the create a copy checkbox and select your Capstone project Excel file from move selected sheet to book drop down list. Make the correct selection to ensure the copy worksheet will appear at the end after the to and store 2021 worksheet in your Capstone workbook. So next part B is copy the worksheet old to and store in the move or copy dialog box and should check the create a copy checkbox. So right click, click move or a copy and create a copy. So next and move to the end of the copy. Move to the move or copy dialog box. Be sure to check create a copy checkbox and select your Capstone project Excel file. Drop down appear and after the trend store 2021 worksheet and click OK. So move over a copy and next part C is close the old to and store workbook when you have successfully copied the old to and store worksheet to the Capstone workbook. And next close the old to and store worksheets And next next party is before the continuing verifies you are working Capstone project that you download and not the old trend store workbook that you download from the resource link. So next we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is insert a new worksheet and rename it food truck. Insert the new worksheet. Insert the new worksheet and next rename the worksheet is food truck. Right click and click rename and type the food truck. So food truck, insert the new worksheet name is food truck and next if unnecessary move the food truck worksheet so it's appear in the first workbook. So next if unnecessary move the food truck worksheet so it's appear in the first workbook. Move and drag to the first worksheets. And next we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is enter the text and sale data as show the table below. Check your workbook carefully. So next enter the text and sale data as shown in the below. Check your workbook carefully. So A1 is top corn food truck sale August. So in cell A1 and type the topped corn food truck sale. Truck sale and press enter and next in cell B2 is truck location. Next select the cell B2. B2 is truck location. So next truck location and press enter and next B3 is Crystal City. So next B3 is Crystal City. Crystal City and press enter and next C3 is verified. So C3 is verified and press enter. So next in cell D3 is Lawton. So next in cell D3 is Lawton and press tab button and next A3 is Boston and press enter. So next, in cell A4 is old bay. So next, in cell A4 of A4 is old bay. And press enters. And next, so next A5 is truffle. So A5 is truffle. And press enters. And next, A6 is sea salt and caramel. Sea salt and caramel. And next, 2600 in cell old bay. Type the value and press enters. And next, truffle and press enters. And 4300 4300 and press enters. And next, modify is 900 in cell C4 is 900 and press enters. And next, 700 and 1600 and press enters. So next, Lawton is 700 and press enters. And next, 1400. So next, 1500. And Ballstone is 800 and next, 1700 and 1400. So question number 6 is complete, and we move to the question number 7. So next, we move to the question number 7. We move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is format the data as follow. Apply the title cell style to cell A1. So select the cell A1 and apply the title cell styles. So apply the title cell style in cell A1. Go to the home tabs, go to the style groups and apply the title cell styles. And next, title cell style in A1 and apply the blue fill color to cell A1. Use the third color from the right in the row of standard color. So in cell A1 and apply the blue fill colors. Blue fill color, click OK. And next, use the third color from the right in the standard color. And next, Part C is apply the white background 1 font color to cell A1 and use the first color at the left in the first row of the theme colors. So apply the white background 1 font color in cell A1. So select the cell A1 and apply the white background 1 font colors. White background 1 font colors. Click OK. And next, first color at the left in the first row of the theme colors. And next, merge and center the worksheet title across the cell A1 to E1. So select the cell A1 to E1, cell A1 to E1 and merge and centers. So go to the home tabs, go to the alignment groups and click the merge and centers A1 to E1, and next apply the heading 1 styles to cell B2. So select the cell B2, select the cell B2 and apply the heading 1 cell styles. Apply the heading 1 cell styles. Apply the heading 1 cell styles. Click OK. And next, merge and center the cell B2 to E2. So select the cell B2 to E2, B2 to E2 and merge and centers. So go to the home tab and go to the alignment groups and click the merge and centers B2 to E2, merge and center, and next bold the cell B3 to E3. Select the cell B3 to E3 and next B3 to E3, bold the cell. So go to the home tabs, go to the font groups and click the bold, and next apply the accounting number format with the 0 decimal places after the decimal to cell B4 to E6. Select the cell B4 to E6, B4 to E6 and press enter and apply the accounting number format with the 0 decimal places. Go to the home tabs, go to the number group and apply the accounting number format. Counting number format with the 0 decimal places. Counting number format with the 0 decimal places and click OK. So next, apply the auto fit column A to E. So next, auto fit column A to E. So select the column A to E and apply the auto fit column. So auto fit column A to E, and next calculate the total sale for each of the truck location. Enter our total in cell A7. So next, auto fit column A to E. Calculate the total for each of the truck location. Enter the word total in cell A7. So select the cell A7. Enter the word total and press enter in cell A7 And next, enter a sum function in cell B7 to calculate the total for cell B4 to B6. So next, enter a sum function in cell B7. So select the cell B7 and enter the sum function in cell B7 to calculate the total for cell B4 to B6. So next, in cell B7, the cell B7, enter a sum function in cell B7 to calculate the total of cell B4 to B6. So type is equal to, type the sum function and B4 to B6 and press enter. And next, use the autofill to copy the formula to cell C7 to E7. Use the autofill to copy the formula to cell C7 to E7, C7 to E7, C7 to E7, and next apply the total cell style to cell A7 to E7. Select the cell A7 to E7, A7 to E7, apply the total cell styles. So go to the home tabs, go to the style group and apply the total cell styles A7 to E7, E7, apply the total cell style. So next we move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is, insert a pie chart 2D pie to show all base sales for the month by location. Each pie of the pie should represent the odd base sales for single location. Insert a pie chart. Insert a pie chart 2D pie chart show all base sales for month by location. Each piece should represent the odd base sale for a single location. All base sales, show all base sales for the month by location. Month by location. Each piece of the pie should represent the old base sales single location. Insert the 2D pie charts. So go to the insert tabs and insert the 2D pie charts. And click OK. So next, you must complete this step correctly in order to receive point for the completing. The next step checks your work carefully. And next, we move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is, modify the pie chart as follow. Apply the layout 3 quick layout and move the chart so it's appear below the sale data. So next, modify the pie charts and apply the layout 3 quick layout 3. Go to the chart design tabs and go to the chart layout and layout 3, click OK. Chart quick layout 3, and next move the chart so it's appear below the cell data. Move the charts below the data, below the cell data. And next we move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is insert a cluster column charts 2D column to show the sale for each type of popcorn for each location. Do not include the totals. You must complete this step correctly in order to receive point for the completing the next step, and check your work carefully. Insert a cluster column charts 2D column to show the sales for each type of popcorn for each location and do not include the totals. Set the cluster column charts. Cluster column chart show the sale of each type of popcorn for each location. Each location and do not include the totals. Next, do not include the totals, and insert the cluster column charts. Go to the insert tabs and go to the chart groups. Click the recommended charts, click all charts, and next click the cluster column charts and click OK. 2D cluster column chart each type of popcorn for each location and do not include the totals. You must complete this step to correctly to receive point completing the next step. Check your carefully. And next we move to the question number 12. So question number 12 is modify the column chart as follow. So next modify the column chart as follow. If necessary, modify the chart so each location is represented by a data series and popcorn type are listed along the x-axis. File the charts so each location by data series and popcorn type are listed. And next change the chart title is August sale. So next change the chart title is August sale. August sale. And next part C is apply the chart style 3 quick styles. Apply the chart style 3. Go to the chart design tabs and go to the chart style groups and chart style 3, click OK. And next display the chart data label using the center option. So next charts display the chart data labels. So add the data label in center the data labels. And next part E is if necessary move the chart so it's next to the pie charts and top the chart or line. Move the charts. So question number 12 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete similar project, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is Excel 365 2021 Capstone Level 3 Working with the Sales Data.